Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second of the Intrepid cardboard boat building races here at the Rancho Las Palmas Marriott. So far, we've had almost a survivor and one sinker. We'll see if that changes. On your marks, get set, go! Nice and easy. Put it sideways, sideways, sideways. Put it in the water before you get in. Then put it side. There you go. Not too far back. There you go. Looking good. Slide forward. Forward. There you go. Oh my word. Look at him go.
Look at that.
He's going at a stately pace.
All right. Blinding pace. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
All right. Yeah, Blake.
Go, 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 go. Don't push, don't push. Nicely done, nicely done.
Nice job, Blake.
Great job.
High five. Nice work. Gary's gonna make it. All right.
And he's bringing it home.
I think Blake could have.
At a stately pace. Beautifully done, beautifully done. Well done.
Awesome. That was a great audible yes by the guy.
Look at that.